Sai Ram students, welcome to the sixth session of chapter 2, that is number work. So in the last session students, we had started with problem set 5 and we had finished 3 problems of it, right? So till third question we had finished. So let's move to the fourth question. The fourth question is the expanded form of the number is given, write the number. So what you are going to do children, the expanded form of the number is given and you are going to write the number. So what is the first one? First one is 6, it is followed by 6 zeros, plus 4 followed by 3 zeros, plus 6 followed by 2 zeros, plus 7 followed by 1 zero, plus 9. So how will we start children? So before preparing the table, let's count how many places are there in 6 followed by 6 zeros. So if you see the first 0, it is in the units place. Second 0, it is in the tens place. Third 0 is in the hundreds place. Fourth 0 is in the thousands place. Fifth 0 is in the 10,000s place. Sixth 0, it is in the lakhs place. And the digit 6, it is in the 10 lakhs place. So when preparing the table, we are going to prepare till the places 10 lakh. Right children? So units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and then 10 lakh. So this 6 followed by 6 zeros will put the place in the row of the place value as 60 lakhs. Right children? So the next number is 4000. Now it was 60 lakhs, the first one, and then directly it has come 4000. So that means there is no number given for lakh and 10,000. So that means what it is, you will write it as 0. So in the lakhs place you will write it as 0. In the 10,000s place you will write it as 0. So the next number is 4 followed by 3 zeros. So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, and 4 digit is in the thousands place. So the place value of 4000, it will be under the thousands place. Next number children, 600, right? So in the hundreds place, we will write it in the place value column as 600. Next number is 70. So 70, it comes under tens. So we will write it below the 70. In the tens this. Then next number is 9. So 9 is in the units place. So we will write it down below the unit place, that is 9. Now how we will get the digits children? Now you already know that it is 60 lakh. So 6 will come in the 10 lakhs place. 60 lakhs, so in the lakhs place 0 will come. 10,000 there was no number, so again 0 will come. Then in the thousands place it was 4,000, so 4 digit will come. In the 600, in the hundreds place, so 6 will come as the digit. In the tens place it was 70, so 7 will come as the digit. And in the units place 9 was there, so 9 is the digit. So when you are going to write the answer, you will write that the number is 60 lakh 4,679. So understood children how you are going to write it? 60 lakh 4,679. Let's move to the next one. What is the next one given? 9. It is followed by 5 zeros. Plus 2. It is followed by 4 zeros. Plus 7. It is followed by 3 zeros. Plus 8. It is followed by 2 zeros. And then plus 5. So First, we'll take the first part 9 followed by 5 zeros. So first 0 in units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, fifth 0 in the 10,000s place, and the digit 9 will come in the lakhs place. So we'll prepare the table units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So we already know that the first part is 9 lakh. So in the place value of lakh, we will write it as 9 lakh. That means 9 followed by 5 zeros. What is the next part, children? It is 2 followed by 4 zeros. So it is the first 0 is in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, and the digit 2 is in the 10,000s place. So that means 20,000. This place value will be placed under the place that is 10,000. Next number is 7 followed by 3 zeros. So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, and the digit 7 is in the thousands place. So the place value 7,000 will come under the thousands place. Next digit is 8 followed by 2 zeros. So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, and the digit 8, it is in the hundreds place. So the place value 800 will come in the hundreds place. Then you can see that there is directly the digit 5. In between 100 and unit, there is no tens. That is, no number is given for the tens place. So you will consider it as 0. So in the tens place, you will write it as the place value as 0. And the last digit is 5. That is 5 will come in the units place. So what will be your digits, children? The place value of 9 lakh will be 9. Of 20,000 will be 2. 1,000 will be 7. 100 will be 8. Tens will be 0 and 5 will be as it is because it's in the units place. So how you will write the expanded form? The number is 9,27,805. How will you write the number? The number is 9,27,805. Let's move to the third one. Now in the third one, children, I have not prepared the table. So we are going to write it directly. So you can see what is the third one? It is 2 followed by 6 zeros plus 3 followed by 5 zeros plus 6 followed by 4 zeros plus 9 followed by 3 zeros plus 5 followed by 2 zeros plus 1 followed by 1 zero plus 7, right? So how we will first we'll see the first part, that is 2 followed by 6 zeros. So the first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, fifth 0 in the 10,000s place, sixth 0 in the lakhs place, and the digit 2 is in the 10 lakhs place. So that means it is 20 lakh, children. So you will first write the number 2, right? Next is 3 followed by 5 zeros. So again, the first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, fifth 0 in the 10,000s place, and the digit 3, it is in the lakhs place. So after 2, your number 3 will come. Okay, children. So first we have taken number 2, then we have taken number 3. Now we'll go for the third part, that is 6 followed by 4 zeros. So the first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, and the digit 6 is in the 10,000s place. So in the 10,000s place, the next number will be 6. The next part is 9 followed by 3 zeros. So the first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, and the next digit is 9, which is in the thousands place. So you will write the digit as 9 is the next number. The next part is 500. So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, and the third number digit is 5, which is in the hundreds place. So you have written the number 5. Next is 1 and 0. So 0 in the units place and 1 in the tens place. So we have written the number 1. And the next digit is 7. So 7 we will write it as it is. So students, what will be your number? The number is 23,69,517. What is the number, children? 23,69,517. So I hope students you are understanding it. Let's move to the fourth one. So the fourth one is 7 followed by 5 zeros plus 8 followed by 4 zeros plus 4 followed by 3 zeros plus 5 followed by 2 zeros. So again children, we will take the first part, that is 7 followed by 5 zeros. So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, fifth 0 in the 10,000s place, and the digit 7 is in the lakhs place. So your first number will come as 7. Now let's take the next part, that is 8 followed by 4 zeros. So the first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, and the digit 8, it is in the 10,000s place. So you will write it as 8. Next part is 4 followed by 3 zeros. So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, and the digit 4, it is in the thousands place. So your next number will be 4. Next part is 5 followed by 2 zeros. So the first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, and the digit 5 is in the hundreds place. So you will write the digit as 5. Now if you see children, after 100 there are no units, no expansion written. That is, no tens is there and no units is there. So that's the reason we have written 2 zeros after it. So what will be the number? 7,84,500. So students, what is the number? The number is 7,84,500. Are you getting it? Let's go to the next one, that is fifth one. 8 followed by 6 zeros plus 5 followed by 4 zeros plus 1 followed by 3 zeros plus 6 followed by 2 zeros plus 9. So let us take the first part, that is 8 followed by 6 zeros. So the first 0 is in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, fifth 0 in the 10,000s place, sixth 0 in the lakhs place, and the digit 8, it is in the 10 lakhs place. So what do you get the number as? 8, right? Next part is 5 followed by 4 zeros. So what is it children? First 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, fourth 0 in the thousands place, and the digit 5, it is there in the 10,000s place. So if you see children, the first part was having 80 lakhs and the next number is directly 50,000. So between 10 lakh and 10,000 there is a lakh place which is for which the number is not given. So you will write it as 0 over here. So next what we had seen, it is 50,000. So 5 will come as the next number. Then the next part is 1000, right? So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, third 0 in the hundreds place, and the digit 1 is in the thousands place. So your next number is 1. Next part is 6 followed by 2 zeros. So first 0 in the units place, second 0 in the tens place, and the digit 6, it is in the hundreds place. So your next number is 6. Now you can see the next digit is 9. So between 100 and units there is no tens. So you will put a 0 over here. Right children? And then 9, it is in the units place. So it will come as it is. So what is your number? 80,51,609. What is the number children? 80,51,609. There's an assignment given children and you are supposed to do it. I hope everybody are doing the assignment regularly. In the next session, we will be looking after the bigger and the smaller numbers. In this bigger and smaller numbers, we'll be looking after the comparison. Which are the smaller numbers, which are the bigger numbers, and the comparison between the bigger and the smaller numbers. Till then, see you in the next session children. Goodbye.